Hello, everyone. Today I'll show you how to use Coda for small business in 2026. Many small business owners struggle to manage projects, tasks, and data efficiently, and Coda provides a flexible and collaborative solution. First, create a new Coda doc. Click New Doc and start with a blank page or a small business template. Templates for inventory, sales, or project tracking save time. Next, set up tables. Create tables for tasks, clients, products, or expenses. Each column can be text, number, date, checkbox, or select list to track data properly. Now add rows and input information. Each row represents a task, client, or product. Keep entries detailed and organized for easy reference. After that, customize columns and formulas. You can calculate totals, deadlines, or project progress automatically. Formulas help reduce manual work and errors. Next, filter and sort your tables. View only active tasks or sort clients by priority. This keeps important information visible and organized. Then create multiple views. Coda allows table, calendar, Kanban, or gallery views. This helps team members see data in the format that works best for them. Now, link tables for relational data. You can connect clients to tasks, products to sales, or expenses to projects. This gives a clear overview of your business workflow. Finally, share and collaborate. Invite your team, set permissions, and work in real time. Everyone stays updated, improving productivity and efficiency. So yeah, using Coda for small business means creating tables, adding rows, customizing formulas, filtering and sorting, creating views, linking tables, and collaborating efficiently. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.